friends, welcome back to my channel Cook and Craft with Arshia. Hope you are doing great in this lockdown period. Today I'm going to make lovely and awesome pencil toppers. Due to this lockdown, as we cannot go to stores and buy decorative pencils, I thought of doing makeover of my pencils at home. Let's have a look at the material we need for this beautiful craft. We need colored foam sheet, scissor, cutter, pencil, scale, colored sheet, hot glue gun and double-sided tape. So let's begin. First I'm making a Minnie Mouse pencil topper. So I have took a pink sheet. Let's cut a 1 cm wide strip out of it. So now I'm ready with the strips. One is 30 cm long and the other two are 20 cm long. So let's remove the back part and roll it. So now the rolls are ready, and similarly I've cut the bow out of white glittery paper. Now let's paste it with the help of this hot glue gun. After pasting, it should look like this. I have taken a 2 by 4 cm strip out of silver paper. Now let's remove the sticker from its back and roll it around the pencil. But make sure that the glitter sheet is a little above the pencil. Now let's secure it with the help of this hot glue gun. So now let's paste the bow. And now we have to paste this body on our pencil. So the Minnie Mouse pencil topper is ready. So let's begin with the second pencil topper. First I have took 2 long blue strips of 30 centimeters, and now let's remove the back cover and roll it. We have to roll it till this point. I have joined the bottom part. Let's join the upper part with this hot glue gun. I have already made the base like the Minnie Mouse one. Now let's paste it on the base. Now this one is also ready. It's time for the third pencil topper, which is mini book pencil topper. First I have cut 4 rectangles out of colored sheet, and I have took 1 inch double-sided tape. Let's take this double-sided tape onto the another one. Now we have to take out the flap from both sides. Let's place this in the between of this paper and fold it. So now it should look like a mini book. I have made 3 more like this. Let's paste them one above the other. After pasting the mini notebooks, it should look like this. Now let's paste it on the base. Now all the 3 pencil toppers are ready. Ta-da! If you like these amazing makeovers, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!